Hello, I'm Matthew Swain, Evil Man artist on Zen Records. This is my sound design class. I'll be doing sound design, and in these 4 videos I'll be covering some of my sound design techniques, not your traditional techniques that you may have seen on YouTube. This is my music studio where I produce all my music. I have a pretty basic home studio. We have the SM9s here, made by Focal. Using MacBook Pro sound card, we have the Army Babyface, which I also use for touring and gigging with. Obviously Xbox is very important to keep the creative juices flowing. This guy I don't really use anymore, Virus TI. Back in the day it used to be a laugh, but now I prefer to just use a lot of the native Ableton plugins. Before I used these SM9s, I was mixing on Dynaudios and touring and mixing on headphones, so this has definitely been an upgrade in the last year or so. However, a very worthy investment, but you don't need speakers like this to produce professional music. However, if you've got the money, it's a worthy investment. Hope you enjoy these videos and that you can learn and follow along with me. Thanks very much for tuning in, and take care of yourselves.